the fine drizzle falls upon me, as if the sky in a gesture of tenderness were covering me with rose petals, soft, moist, pure. This night slowly over my skin, like the touch of an ancient love, like the murmur of time, whispering memories into shelter. Each drop a caress, each petal a new sigh. There is poetry in the rain that awakens both body and spirit. I feel part of the moment between the wind and the scent of rose and earth. To live, I perceive, is a gift that blooms when feeling triumphs over reason. The velvety touch that kisses fingers and face brings back memories of rare encounters where the soul sheds its sorrow. Touches that do not wound, but open paths of light, as if the heart in silence relearned what it means to be cross. Ah, how the petals dance, they seem like souls in gentle flight, descending from above with grace in a ballet of colors that never ceases or fades. Each petal that brushes the skin is a whisper of eternity. It is nature speaking to man. To live is to feel, and to love is freedom. The drizzle, the petal, then soothes me, penetrates deeply without asking. And in this moment of surrender, there is no pain, no end, no departing. I am only body and wind, caress and thought. I am a flower letting itself be wet, a verse lost in time.